United States, Britain and their allies are hitting the Russian gold this time. At the G7 summit, the countries decided to ban the purchase of newly mined and refined gold from Russia. Gold is Russia's second largest export industry after energy. And for the first time since the 1917 Bolshevik Revolution, Russia appears to have defaulted on its foreign debt. So far, Russia has used its gold reserves and swapped it with liquid foreign exchange to bypass the economic sanctions. But things are about to change. Russia has increased its gold purchase since 2014. It is one of the world's biggest producers of gold. Now the country holds $100 billion to $140 billion in gold reserve, which is roughly 20% of the holdings in Russian central bank. Russia is being sustained by a high level of export receipt since sanctions were imposed after February 24. The gold ban will impact the ability of Russia to earn export revenue. Secondary sanctions could be imposed on countries that trade with Russia. It could also lead to the seizure of gold exports from countries that have participated in the ban. For instance, Swiss customs officials are tracking roughly 3 tons of Russian gold worth more than $202 million. This gold entered Switzerland from the United Kingdom and is being monitored for potential violations of economic sanctions against Russia. However, Russia will still be able to sell gold to other countries outside G7. India is the world's second largest consumer of gold. It could lead to an increase in premium over and above the usual price for India. Gold prices edged higher in Indian markets. Gold future rose by 0.4% per 10 gram, while silver jumped by 0.9% per kilogram. Like the thousands of other sanctions imposed on Russia, this move is aimed at isolating it and starve its funding arm and prevent money laundering. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said the ban will directly hit Russian oligarchs and strike at the heart of Putin's war machine. But some experts argue that the move is largely symbolic, as flows have already been restricted by the sanctions.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.